Hello students, welcome and welcome back to this channel. Today our first topic, we are starting our first topic with the Indian Contract Act 1872. So, uh, to understand or to go with this act far away, we would like to start with the first concept, that is what is contract? What is contract? To understand this concept, what is contract, we have to need to understand more concepts to understand the contract. By accumulating all the concepts or all the topic explanation, we can conclude or we can make the clarity over this contract act or this contract. So basically, uh, we are starting this contract by reading Bare Act. Bare Act reading is very much important for a law student to be a good advocate or to go for any sectors like joining farm, corporate, or any academics, and for the research purpose, for the UG, PG, all the levels of your law professions or the law career, you have to start to make a habit of reading Bare Act. Students often skip this habit. They may think that the barrack is very thin, so this is not a need to be worried about this barrack, and it is very much easier, I think. So students think like that reading barrack is a very casual thing. So it can be said that it is overconfidence. So, just whenever you are starting to build up any concept, like being a UG student, being a PG student, or being an advocate also, just start the reading of Barrett. Barrett will help you to bring clarity on your concept better, and then refer any kind of textbook or the reference that you are choosing. So, to understand this concept contract, I'm reading the Barrett. See, all agreement, an agreement enforceable by law is a contract. To section 2 clause H is referring that or is stating that an agreement enforceable by law is contract. Okay, fine. Now there is a two term that is unknown to us. Those are unknown to us. That is agreement and the enforceable by law. So we should understand the term agreement first. The first term agreement. See, to understand the concept of contract, uh, uh, we have to overcome some milestones to understand the concept of contract itself. So before reaching to this concept of contract, we have to find some other concepts like this agreement. What is agreement? Again, the Barrett is stating that every promise and every set of promises forming the consideration for each other is an agreement. So, whenever you are starting with this video, just keep handy your Barrett and then refer this video. Okay. So, what the section 2E is stating about is defining the term of agreement. First topic is coming. The first term is coming promise. Second term is coming set of promises. And third one is the consideration. Okay, fine. These three terms we are we have come across. So, the first term, that is promise. Promise means something which a coming from proposal or offer and acceptance. And set of promises means a bunch of proposals. Okay, not the one single promise, it is the multiple promises. Now, the third term is consideration. What is consideration? Consideration is in exchange of something. Let's say I am teaching any student and student is paying money to me. Okay, so I am teaching student, I want to teach the student, and student is accepting my proposal that okay ma'am, just go ahead with your teaching from the very next day. Okay, so here I am teaching the student and student is accepting my teaching, and in exchange she or he is paying money and I am giving the knowledge. So it is the exchange of something. Here the money and the knowledge is are the consideration. Here the knowledge and money are the consideration for each other. Because here the consideration for me is the money and for the student it is knowledge. So I think it is very much clear that what is promise and consideration. Now move on to this topic, that is contract. We have understood much better with this term agreement. That is, there are four aspects or the essentials of the agreement, and the term enforceable by law. What does it mean? What does it mean of enforceable by law? If I am saying that, if I am promising you that I will go for your birthday party in very next day, and you have arranged a lot of things specially for me, that first time I am coming to your house and we will enjoy a lot. But unfortunately, I wouldn't attend your birthday party. Can you sue for it against me? The answer is no, because it is a personal agreement. It cannot be enforceable by law. What law can enforce, that then the agreement can be a contract. Got it? I think it is now clear for everyone. If there is any query or any doubt up to this, just do let me know in the comment section or you can mail me. All right. So I think the contract and the agreement and the promise, the three terms are clear now. So in a brief, we can conclude here that promise is equal to proposal plus acceptance. I am proposing you to sell my car and you are accepting that proposal. Okay, ma'am, from you I will purchase this car at rupees 20,000 for an example. So this 20,000 is consideration for me and this car is consideration for you. That means here the proposal and acceptance making the promise, and this promise means after your acceptance of purchasing this car, we are forming a agreement throughout this promise by exchanging this car and the money in consideration. So promise means the proposal and acceptance, and agreement means agreement is promise plus consideration, and contract is agreement enforceable by law.
I am ending up the class here. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment down below, and please do subscribe our channel. Your little bit effort will motivate us to make more contents like this. Thanks and keep watching. Thank you.